So this was one of those days. Last night I went to edit my short story video and realized that something had happened to the sound and there was no sound. So this is my short story do-over. If you're curious about what comes in a short story box and want to know what I got in my very first short story box, stick around. Hey divas, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I do unboxings and clothing subscription unboxings and try-ons and shopping hauls and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now if that sounds like a good time to you, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. And just for variety, every now and then I'll throw in a different video, so be sure to check out my other videos. So, my short story box story. I got it on Saturday and I filmed it, and then last night, Sunday, I went to edit it and there was no sound. So, I'm not going to be able to show you the bundle because I've actually tried everything on, but I will show you what I got and I'll do a try on for you and hopefully it'll be helpful for you or you'll enjoy it. Short Story is a clothing subscription for petite women, and I'm 5'3", so I qualify. And you fill out your profile, you answer questions, and they send you 5 items. It is a $25 styling fee, and if you purchase anything, that will get applied to whatever you purchase. They send you a return mailer, and I think they use the post office. Yep, looks like they use the post office. You get your little, what would you call this? Your little piece of paper, your little folder that has the items in it and the prices. So we will take a look at that and let's see what they sent me. So the first thing is this blazer. This is by Nick and Zoe, petite small. It is in this purple color, and you can see it has a lot of texture. It has this fringe that goes all the way around. It's all the way down to the sleeves. The sleeve has a little slit area like that. It's also got some zippered pockets. So it's got kind of a herringbone pattern to the, I would call this like a tweed. So this is a really pretty color. I love the color. I'm not too much into the fringe. That's kind of not my look. And the reality is I don't really have anywhere to wear blazers these days. It's just not something that I wear very commonly. So I will try that on, but chances are I'm not going to be keeping it. All right, next up we have a cable knit sweater turtleneck, and it's kind of a cropped look. It's also got balloon sleeves. It's very soft. It's kind of this oatmeal color, and I have been on the hunt for a white cable knit sweater, so I'm not too excited about the turtleneck though, because I don't wear turtlenecks because they kind of emphasize my double chin. But we'll try it on. All right, next up we have some jeans. So some denim. These are Democracy for Petite Ab Technology, high-rise ankle length, and let's see, it says featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. That's kind of funny. So it's in this very dark blue wash, and they call it indigo. And it's got the pockets in the back, you know, just the typical jean pockets. It's got this cute little metal D for democracy. So I have some democracy pants, I think, and I like them a lot. So I'll be interested to see how those fit. And then up next is this bodysuit in this very soft material in this kind of wine color. This is by Petite Principle. It's a petite small, and it's got that crossover in the front. I love that look. And I don't have any bodysuits, so we'll see how that fits. And then last, we have a pair of black Liverpool jeans. These are 4 petite 27, and they are, what are they called? I'll have to look and see what they're calling them. But they're just black jeans. Liverpool always has good stretch. And I have several pairs of Liverpool and like them a lot. Now, a couple other things in the box. They send you a tape measure. And they say that getting your accurate measurements helps us style you better. So that's a nice little touch. All right, let's try this stuff on. And I will show you my outfit of the day. So today I've got the blues on. I have got my Beyond Yoga pants that I just got from my Wantable Cheek Chill, if you want to check out that video. And then I've also got this chenille sweater that I got from Macy's over the summer. I think it was like $5. It's actually too big. It's a medium and I wear a small. But because it was my favorite color and it's so soft, I'm just rolling up the sleeves. And then I have my comfy cozy slippers on because we are still in frigid temperatures here in Colorado. So this is the sweater up close. And it's just got a little slit. And these are the leggings. Okay, let's get to this try on. So I have on the Liverpool jeans, and Liverpool just does such a good job with their pants. I really like them. I don't know if these are called a high rise, but my belly button is right above it, so I don't really consider that very high rise. And I've got on the top, and then I also have on just some heels that I got from White House Black Market that kind of match the top. So I like the top. It's a very nice feeling material. I like this detail, the crisscross detail. That's like the top that I got in my Stitch Fix. I've gotten 3 boxes in 3 days, so it's getting to be hard to keep track of. Now, the seam for the bodysuit is right here. So I'm not sure if these pants are high enough. I think they'd be okay. That's the back. So the Liverpool pants, the front pockets are real, the back pockets are real. So it's all real, even that little tiny pocket. Let's try the blazer on with it. So I like the bodysuit. I like the jeans. I'm having trouble finding the hole for my arm. There we go. All right. So I'll just pan this up a little bit. This is the blazer. If you like that fringy look, I think you would like it. It looks a little uneven to me. I'm going to try getting a different color of light on the ring light because I feel like this is a little too bright. There, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah, I'm not feeling the blazer. Like I said, I don't have much need for it, but even if I did, I can't say that I am, loving this look. All right, let's try on the other jeans and the white sweater. So this is the sweater in the Democracy jeans, and the sweater is kind of big. I guess they're going for kind of a cropped, oversized look. Like I said, I don't wear turtlenecks. I haven't worn turtlenecks for years because you can see it comes, I feel like it just draws attention to my double chin. So I'm not a turtleneck girl anymore. This, even if this didn't have a turtleneck, I am not into the balloon sleeve look. And I might be in trouble this season because balloon sleeve, bell sleeve, that seems to be all the rage, and I am not feeling it. So it's a tiny bit scratchy, but mostly it's soft. It's just too big. It's just, it's pretty cropped. As far as the jeans go, they are I don't know if you can, let me see if I can pan down, and you can see, there you go. You can see the color. It's a nice color. It's not a color I actually have in my closet, but these, I have another pair of, I think they're Democracy, and they do the same thing. They have like these kind of funny wings, and I like my, hems to be very tapered. So I don't like that, but I did see that if I just turned it up like this, I actually kind of like that look. I think that's a fun look, especially with flats like this. So see, it's just, this thing is just too big. I am not feeling it. So the sweater is a no-go. The jeans, I like them. I like the color. I like the way they fit, but I am gonna have to see what the price is. So let's do a recap and look at prices. All right, let's see what my stylist said and how much stuff costs. Dear Andrea, welcome to Short Story, a petite style journey. Finding styles that can fit and flatter us can be a challenge. I'm here to make it effortless by curating expertly proportioned styles just for you. I'd love to hear how you like everything to better learn what works best for you. The tweed jacket is so chic and can be worn over the bodysuit with the Abbey ankle jeans and tall boots or flats. The cable turtleneck sweater is a very classic style and such soft material. Wear this sweater over a collared white button down with the skinny jeans and tall boots. Wear these outfits to work or out to dinner as well. Enjoy these pieces and let me know what you want to see next. Stylishly, Sarah. Okay, so the petite stretch tweed jacket, that is by Nick and Zoe. That was this one. And that is $68. It says it's a small petite but fits like a medium petite. I thought it fit like a small. I'm a small, and that's, that would have been the right size for me. This is going to go back just because, like I said, I don't think it looked that great, and that it's just not my style, and I wouldn't really have anywhere to wear it. All right, up next is the Penelope Surplus Modal Bodysuit, and that's by Petite Principal in Burgundy and a small petite. And this is $52. I like this. I like how it feels. I like that crossover look, and I am going to keep this. The Abbey Stretch Ankle Skinny Jean by Liverpool in black rinse for petite. These are $89. Now, Liverpool is, is a little bit more expensive than some brands, but I like the way they fit. I like the way they wear, and so I'm going to be keeping these. The cable turtleneck pullover, Artie style in oatmeal. It says it's a small, fits like a medium, fit more like a large actually. That is $62. That's going to go back because it looked terrible on me. There wasn't anything about it I liked. And I'm actually looking for more of a true white or an off-white, but not oatmeal. And then we have got the Democracy Petite High-Rise Skinny Jeans in 4 Petite, and these are $72. And the total, let's see, they deducted the $25 styling fee, so that brought it down to $318. I like these jeans. I don't have this color. I am not going to keep them though, and that's because of the price. Because although I cannot find these exact jeans on the Nordstrom Rack site, they have democracy jeans for practically half the price, and I just can't spend $72 when I know I can get, you know, something similar for cheaper. They do have this color in boot cut, but I'm not much of a boot cut fan. So these are going to go back, even though I really like them and I like the way they fit. So that is my short story box. Do you get short story? If you do, tell me what your experience has been. And until next time, it's probably going to be a little while before I do another video, because like I said, I got 3 right one after the other, and I kept quite a bit from my Oneable chill chic. So check that out, and you can see all the fun stuff I got in that one, and kept a couple things in my Stitch Fix. So I've kind of maxed out my clothing budget for the month, and next month will be March, so maybe I'll be looking for some spring items, although March is Colorado's snowiest month. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed that you spent time with me, and if you did enjoy it, please give me the thumbs up. Stick around, subscribe. I'm fun. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, divas, and remember, dress like you mean it.